OKA 009 is ours.
Julie and I bought OKA 009, ninth one off the production line. It's a 1992 model. It started life as a dual cab with a tray on it, and sometime in the early 2000s it was bought by another couple who put the camper on the back. Now it's our turn, and we're going to have a quick modification in the back to make it fit for the way we travel. Got a few mechanical repairs to do, like the clutch and the front drive shaft need to be worked on. But let's have a quick look inside.
Well, this is the inside of the camper part. We've got a fridge over here, a small cupboard, a stove and a sink, and a bit of storage over here. It's got a fairly good solar panel system which charges a big 270 amp hour battery. It's been running the fridge since we first looked at it over a month ago and hasn't had a problem. We don't like the layout that much, it doesn't suit the way we camp, so we're going to take it down to someone and get it rebuilt and refurbish it and make it look a bit more modern. OKAs were made to have many replaceable parts, but they had parts taken from different types of vehicles. For example, the handbrake levers from an XD Falcon. This dashboard has seen better days. Got problems with switches that either don't work or they're broken. That's the fun part of doing these installs. Shows you the age of the truck. It's got a 40 channel CB, really early model. They're about the size of a cigarette packet now, not that size, so there's a lot of work to do, but it should keep us busy for the next year or so. Just come along and have a look what we do.